Hi guys, welcome back. In this video I am going to discuss with you what is topological sorting, or you can also say topological ordering. Fine. What is the topological ordering and how to find out topological ordering of a given graph. Fine. So first of all we'll just discuss some key points of topological sorting. What is topological sorting or topological ordering? Okay. First point is to find out for topological ordering that graph should be directed and acyclic. That is the must condition. Graph should be DAG. DAG means directed and acyclic graph. If graph is undirected, you cannot find out topological sorting. If graph is directed but it contains any cycle, like this. Suppose we have 1, 2 and 3 vertices. This one, 2 to 3 and 3 to 1. 1 to 2, 2 to 3 and 3 to 1, the cycle has formed now. So such type of cycle contains if in graph, then it is not possible to find out topological ordering of that graph. So that graph should not contain any cycle, not a single one. Fine, that is must condition. Now what is topological sorting? See, topological sorting is basically a linear ordering. Linear ordering of the vertices in the graph, such that for every directed edge uv, see the edge is from u to, suppose u to v, vertex u to v, then in the ordering u must come before v. Fine, I have written the definition here. For vertex u to v, u comes before vertex v in that ordering. We will discuss it with the example, then you will get it. Fine. And see, one more point is, for every DAG, if graph is directed in acyclic, then at least one topological sorting would be there, at least one. But it is not compulsory that that graph will have only one topological sorting. A single graph can have more than one topological sorting, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Fine, any number of topological sorting. Now we will discuss the method how to find out topological sorting. Okay. We will discuss it with the help of one example. Now, suppose this one is our graph. See, this is directed graph, this was directed in acyclic graph or not. First of all, check it out. This is directed, yes, every edge is having some direction. Is there any cycle, directed cycle? This, no, this is not coming like that. This, no, there is no cycle. Fine. So, topological sorting or topological ordering of this graph is possible. Now, how to find out topological sorting? The first step is, very first step, find out the in degree of each vertex. In the directed graph, we have the concept of in degree and out degree. Fine. In degree means the number of edges coming to that vertex, and out degree means the number of edges outgoing from that vertex. Now, find out in degree of every vertex. In degree of this one is there any edge which is coming to one? No, there are two edges which are outgoing from this one, no edge is coming. So, in degree of this one is 0. In degree of this 2 is, there is only one edge that is coming, 1. In degree of this 4 is 1 and 2 edges are coming to 4, 2. This edge is like this. Fine. In degree of this 5 is 1. In degree of 3 is 2 edges are coming to 3, 1, 2. Now we have found out the in degree of every vertex. Fine. First step is this. Second step is, you will start writing down the topological ordering, or you can say the linear ordering, from the vertex having in degree 0. Fine. You will choose that vertex first, that is having in degree 0. Now find out which vertex is having in degree 0, 1. So we will write down 1. Okay. Now second step is, we have selected this one. Fine. So from this graph, we will delete this one and all the edges which are outgoing from this one, every edge. So from this one, how many edges are outgoing? 1 and 2. Fine. So we will delete this 1 and we will delete this one also. this one and this one. Now when we delete these edges, then obviously the end degree of these vertices would be changed. Yes or no? So the graph would be something like that. We have only 2, we have 4, we have 3, we have 5. Fine. 2 to 4 still we have, 4 to 3 we have, 4 to 5 we have. This edge, no, we are not having 1, this edge, we are not having this edge, we have only 2 to 3. Now end degree of this 2 will become what? Now you have to update the end degree of these vertices. End degree of this 2 is now 0, because first it was 1, this edge was deleted, then it would be minus 1, 1 minus 1, that is 0, it would be 2 minus 1, 2, 1 edge has been deleted. Now end degree of this 4 is only this edge 1, 5 is as it is, 3 is end degree is 2. Now we have this graph. Now again select the vertex having end degree 0. Which one is having end degree 0? 2. We will write down 2 here. Next, the same step, we will delete this 2, we will delete and we will delete the every vertex outgoing from this 2, this also and this also. Fine. And update the degree of these vertices. You are supposed to update the degree of those, end degree of those vertices which are being affected because of deletion of this 2 and these edges. Now the graph would be 2 has been deleted. Now we have only 3, we have 4, we have 5. Yes, 4 to 5 we have, 4 to 5 we have, 4 to 3 we have. Do we have this edge? No, 2 has been deleted. Do we have this? No, this has also been deleted. We have only 2 edges now. Now end degree of 3 would become, first of all it was 2 minus 1, that is 1 only. 4 ki 1 thi, 1 minus 1 is, because this one has been deleted. So end degree, see you can see this, there is no edge incoming to that vertex, that is 0, and here we have only 1. Now again select the vertex having end degree 0, we have 4, we will write down this 4. The same step, 4 would be deleted and also the outgoing edges would be deleted. Now the graph would be, we have only vertex 3 and 5. Now these 2 edges has been deleted. Is there any edge between these 3 and 5? No, end degree of this 3 is now 0, end degree of this 5 is now 0. Now select again a vertex having end degree 0. Now see, here we have 2 vertices having end degree 0, 3 and 5. So you can take this 3 also and you can take 5. Suppose we are taking this 3. Now 3 has been deleted, now you can take this 5. Or the second ordering is possible, that is 1, 2, 4, yahan tak as it is, and after that first of all we will take this 5 and then we will take this 3. So 2 topological ordering is possible for this graph. Fine. We will take one more example. Suppose we have this kind of graph, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, now find out the topological ordering of this graph. See, the topological ordering of this graph you will not be able to find out. Why so? Because this graph is having one directed cycle. See, this, then this, then this. This is a cycle, and we have already discussed in these properties that if a graph is having any cycle, then you would not be able to find topological ordering for that graph. So let us see, is it possible, is it true or not. Same step, find out end degree of every vertex. End degree of 1 is 1, end degree of this 2 is 2, 1 and 2, 2 edges are coming to that vertex. 3 is 1 and 2, 2 edges are coming. For 5 end degree 0, for 4 end degree 0. Select the vertex having end degree 0. You can select either 4 or 5. It's up to you. Suppose we are selecting 4. Case 1 is this 4, or case 2 may you can select 5. That's why I have told you for graph, directed acyclic graph, many topological ordering are possible. We are taking this case. Suppose we have chosen this 4. Now after choosing this 4, delete this 4 and also this vertex. Now the graph would be 1, 2, 3, this one and this one. Now this one has been deleted, but we have this 5. Now in degree of this 5 is same, in degree of 3 is still 2, in degree of 1 is still 1, but in degree of 2 is now 1. Pehle 2 thi, this has been deleted, then 2 minus 1, that is 1, see 1 edge. Now again select a vertex having in degree 0, we have 5, suppose we have taken this 5. Now delete this 5 and this edge. Now the graph would be 1, 2 and 3, this one and this one. Now 5 has been deleted. Now update the in degree of every vertex, 1, 1 and still 2, 1 deleted, minus 1. Now is there any vertex having in degree 0? No, every vertex is having degree 1, 1, 1. So we cannot proceed further. That is why I am saying if a graph contains a cycle, then it would not be possible to find out topological ordering, because if graph contains a cycle, then at some point you will reach at some situations, then at that time you will not have any vertex, you will not find any vertex having in degree 0. Okay, so that is the case. You can take one more example. Suppose we are having this kind of graph. Now we are supposed to find out topological sorting of this graph. Find out first step in degree of every vertex. In degree of A is 0, no edge is coming. In degree of B is 1, 2, 3. In degree of C is 0. In degree of D is 1, 2. Select a vertex having in degree 0. You can select either C or you can select A. So case 1 is we have selected A, and suppose case 2 we have selected C. Now case 1 we have selected A. Now after selection of A, these would be deleted, okay, and the graph would be something like that. We have B, we have C, we have D, this one and this one, and these edges has been deleted. Now update the in degree of every vertex, or you can say the update in degree of vertex which are being affected because of this deletion. In degree of B now become 2 and D become 1 and C in degree is 0. Now select vertex having in degree 0, we have only C has been selected, delete this, fine. After deletion of these edges, in degree of D would become 0 and in degree of B would become 1. Then we would select in degree 0 vertex having in degree 0, that is D. After the selection of D, this edge will also be deleted, then we will select B, fine. Or the next case was, suppose you have selected this C, then delete this, and the graph would be A, B and D. We are having this edge, we are having this edge, we are having this one. Update in degree, this is having 0, same, this will be having 2, 3 minus 1, this will be having 1. Now we will select A, because vertex A is having in degree 0. Now delete this one and this one. You have selected this A, now delete the outgoing edges of this A also and this vertex also. Now in degree of this would be updated to 0 after this deletion, fine, and in degree of this B would be updated to 1. Now you can select, after that you can select D and you can select now B. So these are two topological ordering possible of this graph, fine. So for every directed acyclic graph, more than one topological ordering is possible. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.